Hey y'all, it's Tuesday, but I'm just sitting here thinking on what I want to get with this tattoo. I already have six, I just want like two more. So I'm trying to think. I know most definitely I want Libra on my back, and as far as my shoulder, I don't know. So I need y'all help. So maybe y'all can let me know, like anything, like any ideas y'all have. Let me know. Leave me a comment or whatever, because I really don't know what I want to get. Other than that, it's very cold outside, and it's going to snow again tonight. Damn, didn't it just snow this weekend? Then we get more snow tonight and tomorrow, all day tomorrow. But but do that. Comment. All right. Peace.